Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solutions. So friends, welcome back in this series. And in this series, we are discussing the Infosys SP and DSP coding questions, guys. Right? So if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon button, guys. And one more thing, guys, I will start coding practice or coding from zero to hero on this channel after this Infosys exam, guys, है ना, approx from Monday. Okay, so you can also follow this channel, guys. Let us start, guys. What question I have taken today's lecture, and this is lecture third, guys. And if you have not watched any lecture like lecture first or lecture second, you can go and check out the lecture of this series, guys. This will very helpful for you. In the previous one, we have discussed the dynamic programming questions, guys. That is very important. Okay, go and check out that question as well. So let us discuss, guys. In today's video, I have taken one DP problem, and the problem is very easy, but guys, little bit tough. Maybe you got यार, it's a little bit tough, but I have no idea कि like आपको easy लगेगा और tough लगता है. ठीक है, देखते हैं. The question is, guys, you are given an integer n, है ना? You are given means input is n, and a zero index integer array numbers of length n plus 1 is generated in a following way. Means, guys, we have a n number and we need to generate n plus 1 length array. We need to generate n plus 1 length array, guys. ठीक है, array or list. Okay, the next thing is generating in the following way. So this is the way they have given. So the way is basically, guys, nums of 0 is nothing but a 0. Means, guys, I hope many of you have made the Fibonacci series using dynamic programming, guys. How many of you have done Fibonacci series using DP, using dynamic programming, guys? Similar that type of question is this, guys, right? So let me show you, and you have this. Okay, and the next thing is, guys, index of first we need to put 1. Okay, so just an example, guys, let us consider we have a array of length something n, and the first element every time is 0 and next element is 1. Now, guys, we need to find remaining elements we can find with these two methods. The first method is, guys, nums of 2 of I. अब 2 of I is nothing but, guys, for example, if I put I equal to 1, then I equal to 1 is nothing but nums of 2. Nums of 2 equal to nums of I. Nums of I is nothing but, guys, I is 1. So 1 is 1. So the answer is, guys, 1. Clear? The next thing is, guys, if I put I equal to 1 here as well. Okay? So I is nothing but 2 multiply I is nothing but 1 plus 1, guys. Okay, so here we will got that is nums of I, right? And this is the, guys, index third. This is third index because 2 plus 1 is nothing but third index. So num of third index, guys, we need to find num of third, and num of third is nothing but, guys, nums of I is nothing but I value is, guys, right now we have 1. Okay, so this is 0 index, this is 1 index, and this is 2 index. Keep in mind, है ना? This is very easy question, that's why, or try to understand here, है ना? Next, just an example. This is just an example. Next, we will discuss the code, don't worry, and logic as well. So n equal to 1 right now we have. So if I put n I equal to 1, okay, not I actually, not n actually, n I is there, sorry, I. Okay, so I 2 multiply 1 is 2 and 3. N of 3 is nothing but, guys, num of I is nothing but 1. So num of 1 is nothing but, guys, 1 plus num of I plus 1. I is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So num of 2 is nothing but, guys, 1. So 1 plus 1 is nothing but, guys, 2. So the answer is 2 here. So this is the series continuously goes. So let us discuss one test case. It must be better for you. For example, guys, this is, and I have written the condition here. Now, guys, many of you are confusing on this question because one of our subscriber asked this question, sir, how we can solve this using dynamic programming, right? So the question name is basically get maximum in generated array. Okay, and maximum students are confusing on these two statement. So I am saying, guys, just neglect these two statement right now. Neglect this, just forget कि कुछ है ये. ठीक है, सो लेट अस डिस्कस दिस. सो अभी हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया, 1 भी आ गया था, 2 भी आ गया था. अब मैं आपको बता दूं, गाइस, फॉर थर्ड स्टेप व्हाट वी नीड टू डू. फॉर थर्ड स्टेप, गाइस, है ना, द कंडीशन इज गिवन दिस वन. ओके, सो गाइस, फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई पुट I equal to 2, if I put I equal to 2, guys, we have already got 0 1 1 2 in series. 0 1 1 2 we have already got, right? So 0 index, first index, second index, third index, right? Let us discuss about fourth index. Let us discuss about fifth index. So fourth index, guys, is we are just checking with this condition. Okay, nums of 2 minus 2 multiply I is nothing but 2. I have taken, right? I will make a code, so don't worry. Okay, so I equal to 2 is there, so 2 multiply I is nothing but 4. So num of 4, guys, num of 4 is nothing but num of I. Num of I matlab I of 2 means 2 is there. So here is 2 guys, and after it if I put 2 here, nums of 2 multiply I. So num equal num of 2 multiply I is nothing but 2, 2 to the 4 plus 1 nothing but a 5 guys, equal to, we need to put nums of I is nothing but 2 plus nums of I plus 1 matlab 3, right? So nums of 2 is nothing but a nums of 2 is nothing but a 1 plus nums of 3, right? Oh यहाँ पे I need to take here 1 I think, yes sorry, here is 1 है ना, because nums of I is 2 and 2 है, we have a 1, okay, so here is 1 not 2, sorry guys है ना. And in similar way nums of 3 is 2, so 2, right? So it is, the answer is 3, so we will put 3 here and so on. So these 3 run n number of time, n plus 1 number of time, ठीक है, this logic run n plus 1 number of time, because guys in a question they have told us ki we need to find the array nums of length n plus 1, we need to find the length of n plus 1. So as you can see here we have n equal to 7, and here we got guys 8 elements, and we need to find the maximum of these element, that is 3. Clear? Let us discuss the logic guys, then we will move to the code. Okay, so the question is, oh sorry, the logic is basically guys, if I talk about logic is very easy. We need to follow the Fibonacci series, okay, and in the Fibonacci series I hope you have already made the Fibonacci series. If you have not work on Fibonacci series with DP, ठीक है, let me know, I will try to show how to make Fibonacci series using dynamic programming guys, ठीक है. So let's see guys, for this one logic is there guys. Basically we need to take n plus 1, and n is nothing but a input, n is nothing but a input value, right? So what we need to do guys, n plus 1 we need to find. So what I am doing, I am just taking the a equal to some list, or this list or this array is a empty, है ना, but in the Python I am taking a 0 as a empty element. Or what I am doing, I am just multiplying this n plus, I am taking more elements, not a single guys, okay, I am taking not a n plus 1, I will make a list of more than the given length, है ना, then I will set that, ठीक है, क्यों कर रहा हूँ I will tell you, don't worry. Okay, so I am just taking here n plus 5, means here guys the a is empty. For example, n equal to 1, n equal to 2 is there, just an imagine n equal to 2, so it will make a empty list of 7 elements guys. Why I am doing this thing I will show you, don't worry, okay. Or if you want you can also take 2, no problem guys, or you can take 3, no problem, okay, it's depend on you, ठीक है. After that guys we have a empty list, है ना, empty array or empty list. After that the first index value is nothing but a 0, and the second index means first index, ठीक है, value is nothing but a 1. For next index guys, for a of something value, so for next index I am taking a for loop guys, है ना, for loop I is equal to 1 to guys n plus 1, है ना, I will execute n plus 1 to n plus 1. But guys, but we need to find n plus 1. But guys, let's see the confusion, why students are confusing in this question. Because guys we have a two statement, this will find, okay, let me clear the screen that much better. Okay guys, अब ट्विस्ट है, ठीक है, द ट्विस्ट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, बहुत ज्यादा मजा आने वाला है guys. This is given for, this one is given for guys even index, and guys this statement is given for odd index, clear? So bus, this is the logic guys. In this point many students are confusing कि sir what is this, just forget this right now, ठीक है, no need to use this condition, because if you follow this then it will waste your 1 and 2 hour for understanding the question guys, ठीक है. Sometime you need to use your easy logic, है ना, और sometime you need to use your hard logic, ठीक है. तो इजी क्वेश्चन है, क्या करना है हम लोग को गाइस, बेसिकली ये हमारा क्या है, इवन के लिए, ये हमारा ओड के लिए. सो वी हैव अ टू स्टेटमेंट, राइट, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग द लूप टिल n डिवाइड बाय 2 प्लस 1, ठीक है, और प्लस 2 कितने भी चला लो, क्योंकि अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं गाइस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम जस्ट स्टोरिंग द नंबर इन द लिस्ट, देन आई विल टेक अ n प्लस 1 लेंथ ऑफ द लिस्ट, है ना, then after that I will find the maximum. This is my logic guys. If you have another logic you can comment me, but guys according to this it's a very easy question यार, मतलब 2 to 3 line code is there guys, believe me. Okay, many of you are saying me कि यार सर इतना इजी क्वेश्चन आते हैं, भाई क्वेश्चन इजी नहीं है, ठीक है, क्वेश्चन इजी कभी नहीं होता है गाइस, इट्स डिपेंड ऑन अस कि हम उस क्वेश्चन को कैसा समझ रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो चलता हूँ गाइस मैं कोड स्क्रीन पे और वहीं मैं आपको और क्लियरली बताता हूँ वन बाय वन, स्टेप बाय स्टेप. सो बिफोर डिस्कसिंग कोड गाइस, इफ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब्ड अवर यूट्यूब चैनल यार, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब. एंड इफ यू हैव नॉट फॉलो दिस series guys, I request everyone to follow this series, and if possible guys, please share this series with your friends and in your college group guys. Two lectures we have already done. In the first one na, I have told how you can prepare for SP or DSE role, right? And in the next two videos we have taken some questions, and this is the third lecture guys. If you miss any lecture guys, I request everyone go and check out all the lectures guys. Okay, and join this channel as well. After Infosys exam we'll start the coding preparation on this channel guys, and the channel name is nothing but Code for Placement. Okay, and Priyanshu name. Okay guys, so let us see how you can make a code guys. That is very important. So first of all guys, in a question we have a n equal to, just an example, 7 is given guys. Okay, next thing is, in a question I am just taking a one array arr, that is a empty list, and for this one guys I am taking empty list of n plus 3 ले लेते हैं अभी के लिए. और सबसे पहले बताता हूँ guys why we are taking more than one. So let's see, we have a n plus 1 because as a question told ki we need to take a n plus 1 array length, right? In the question they told. Next thing is arr of arr of 0 they have given. What is the value of arr of 0? Equal to 0. Yes, or arr of 1 is nothing but a guys 1, right? Now guys I am executing for loop for I in range from first of index to n plus 1. No, n divided by 2 plus 1 guys. Okay, why? Because we have a two statements for even and for odd, right? So let's see, I am writing one statement, that is arr of we have a I multiply 2 in a question, as you have already seen guys, है ना? In a question they told, let me show you, then we'll discuss, no problem. See here guys, let me clear this screen. Okay, see guys here, in this one the statement is num is nothing but guys array. ठीक है, नहीं तो कंफ्यूजन मत होना. num is nothing but guys arr. I have take arr variable, you can take nums variable, no problem. ठीक है, so 2 multiply I equal to nums of I. Okay, so let me come back to code screen, and here I am writing num of or array of 2 multiply I equal to array of I guys, right? The next statement, the next condition we have, this is for guys, this is for even, है ना? मैंने सारा कलर चेंज कर दिया इसका, पूरा आईडी का कलर ही, इंटरफेस चेंज कर दिया, बस ये बैकग्राउंड नहीं हो पाया चेंज, नहीं तो इसको भी चेंज करके देखते हैं हम. ठीक है, ट्राई करूंगा एक बार बैकग्राउंड भी इसका चेंज हो जाए. बाकी अच्छा लग रहा है गाइज मेरे को, है ना, थोड़ा नया देखने को मिल रहेगा. ठीक है, आपको कैसा लग रहा है गाइज, कमेंट मी. ओके, सो चलिए वापस चलते हैं हमारे क्वेश्चन पे. द क्वेश्चन सेकंड वाले जो हमारे कंडीशन गाइज, इसको थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखिएगा. द नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज गाइज नम्स ऑफ 2 मल्टीप्लाई आई. दिस इज फॉर ऑड गाइज, एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड. दिस इज फॉर ऑड, दिस इज फॉर इवन. Yes, so let us move to the odd condition. Let us move to the code screen. Yeah, so here guys we have a even हो गया. Now let's write for code for odd guys. So I multiply 2, right? So I am writing in I multiply 2 like this, and plus 1. ठीक है, and equal to is nothing but guys arr of guys what, I, and plus arr of I plus 1, right? This is for guys odd one. Okay, बस done guys. If I print arr, ठीक है, let's see the answer. The answer is we got 0 1 1 2 1 3 2 3. Got it? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We got 8 element guys. But guys, for example, if I give you some more another number, just an imagine I give you the 3, ठीक है, or let me give you the 4, that much be better, or it will give you the one error, that is index out of range. Why guys? Because guys here is n plus 1, and due to this two statement we are executing at the same time, that's why guys it will give you the error. So it have a one more condition, you can put a if else, but guys I not prefer to make code tough. I just increase this n value to 3. Okay, now let's see guys, done. Okay, the length is guys 4. We need to find the element till 5, right? We want 5 elements, but here guys, as you can see in output, we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 elements guys we got, but we only want how many element guys? How many element? 5 elements, because n plus 1 we need to find. So what I am doing guys, arr of from 0 index till n plus 1 index guys, right? Then we got 5 elements, as you can see 1 2 3 4 5, we got 5 elements. So I am just updating this value here guys. Okay, so here arr equal to this. Okay, and now after that I will find the minimum, sorry, maximum we need to find na, maximum of arr. But guys question is done, question is done guys. If I provide the 7 here, you will got the answer, that is 3 guys. The question is done guys. That is a question guys. कैसा लगा? इजी था, थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट था गाइस। ट्विस्ट इज कहाँ पे था? ट्विस्ट ट्विस्ट कहाँ पे था गाइस? ट्विस्ट था हमारा, लेट मी शो यू। हाँ या सो हमारा गाइस जो ट्विस्ट था कहाँ पे था? वो हमारे ट्विस्ट केवल ये वेन कंडीशन में था और इसका कोई यूज नहीं था। ठीक है गाइस, तो दिस इज अवर क्वेश्चन गाइस, आई होप यू गॉट इट। ओके गाइस, सभी को समझ आया ये क्वेश्चन गाइस? सभी को समझ आया होगा। ठीक है, और कुछ एरर आते हैं मैं बता देता। अब गाइस मैं बता देता हूँ ये क्वेश्चन मैंने कहाँ से लिया था और हाउ यू कैन नो कि यार दिस क्वेश्चन इज करेक्ट और नॉट। सो गाइस this question is I have taken from lead code and the question name is guys, let me show you, no problem. Okay, the question name is, you can easily find on Google. The question name is guys, get maximum in generated array, maximum in generated array guys. This question is shared with one of our subscriber है ना, and I don't know he or she is there ना, so they just seen the video of this question on some on YouTube. So they told me कि sir it's very confusing, can you explain in your video? So that's why I have make this video guys. If you feel any question कि यार this is like confusion है ना, and guys I don't know about that channel, right? And they have just shared me the screenshot and they have also shared me the code ss, right? So the code is very lengthy they have made, but guys our code is very easily here, right? My motive is to clear your doubts, clear your concepts guys है ना। कोड का क्या है, I can make this code in 2 to 3 ways, but this is the shortest way, and in this code guys we have already do the code in 2 lines यार। और what और क्या चाहिए? ठीक है, तो समझ आया सभी को गाइस है ना? किसी को डाउट है, किसी को दिक्कत हो गाइस, यू कैन आस्क मी इन कमेंट गाइस, लेट मी नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट दिस एंड हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट नेक्स्ट लेक्चर इन टुडे ओनली। ठीक है, लेट मी know. But guys, in a previous video I have given you one task, that is you have not completed. The task is you need to complete 150 likes, right? So I hope you have not done, right? Still you have not done, so try to subscribe here, try to share this series with your friends here, because I am not getting again your response. Oh, see here only 784 views are there. So please try to share this video friends, please try to share this video with your friends in your college group, so that guys everyone got the benefit in free of cost, no one got for the paid course, because guys in a paid course guys you will got the same material that I am providing in the free of cost, right? And one more thing, paid course में क्या होता है कि बेसिकली हमने पेड कोर्स लिया और बस एक दो वीडियो देखा और खत्म, तो इससे अच्छा फ्री में कर लेते हैं हम। ठीक है, सो गो एंड चेक आउट गाइज, इफ एनी डाउट एनी इश्यूज लेट मी नो इन कमेंट बॉक्स एंड ट्राई टू फॉलो दिस सीरीज वेरी व्हाट आई नीड टू से। थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखो इसको सीरीज को, कुछ क्वेश्चन में डाउट आता है तो आप मेरे से पूछ सकते हो, कोई सा कोड आपको समझ में नहीं आता तब भी आप बोल सकते हो, वट एवर द डाउट anything in your mind let me know, and we'll meet on next video, and try to complete the task that I have already given in last video, that is 150 plus likes, right? But you have only done I think 40-50 plus likes, right? So try to like the video guys, try to support us, try to support our work. Okay, try to support our channel guys, that is very important. Okay, so thank you for watching this video friends, we'll meet on next video with some new questions. One more thing guys, if you have not joined our telegram channel, if you want you can also join our telegram channel, because guys here I am updating the pdf or some updates, right? Or that's all about today's video, we'll meet on next video guys. Thank you for watching this video friends, and I will try to make a new video in today only and I will share, don't worry. Okay, so thank you friends, we'll meet on next, take care, bye bye guys, and please try to share this video with your friends guys right now, try to share guys now only. Okay.